Hi guys, it's Sam. Today I'm going to be attempting to make cabbage. I have been craving this literally like every day. And ever since I found out about this last month, I have been wanting this all the time. And it's super simple, super easy. You're making cabbage and cornbread. And if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So for this video, of course, we need cabbage. This we've got from Rayleigh's, I think. I don't know if every store has a Rayleigh's. I don't know if every city has a Rayleigh's. Bacon. Bacon grease is important for this. Cutting board. Ooh, I almost cut myself. And a knife. And a pan such as this. Do not know what brand this is, but a pan. Ooh, we should take it behind the scenes. Do a boomerang of me. So what you'll also need is Creole seasoning. With cabbage, I like cornbread. This is approved by Buddha. Black people do approve this. Everybody loves Jiffy, but I had found this at Sam's Club. Do not know if every city has a Sam's Club, but it is in California. And of course you need a stove. Let's get started. And about this much water. 'Tis all. The chopping of the cabbage. I don't know how to chop cabbage. You know that one song that goes chop, chop, chop style? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do.
Who sings that?
I don't know.
This is what it's reminding me of. So I'm just going to probably use about half of this package. If you really want me to count the strips, I guess I'll do that for you. The more the bacon, the better. We want the, oh, it's not even on. First of all, turn your stove on. Just kidding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're welcome.
Here you go.
Totally forgot. I'm gonna cut it up. I turned the stove off. Cutting the bacon into little pieces, such as so. So you want to get the bacon not hard. You want to add the chopped cabbage, like so. So this much water. So you want to get it to like a soft consistency. You see how much it shrank? It shrank so much. So I sprinkled a little bit of the Creole. Just a tad.